The dodo, a species that lived for thousands of years, but because of humans, it's now extinct. Once, on a small island in the Indian Ocean, Mauritius, the dodo lived freely. It couldn't fly because it never needed to. There were no predators, no fear. But in the year 1598, when European sailors arrived on the island, they began hunting the dodo and brought along rats, which ate even the dodo's eggs. In just 80 years, by 1681, the entire dodo species was gone. Today, the dodo survives only in history books and museum fossils, a symbol that reminds us, if humans don't respect nature, the next name on that list could be ours.